Have you noticed that RC cars aren't just toys anymore? In 2026, they're faster, tougher, and more advanced than ever before. From blistering speedruns and gravity-defying jumps to precision drifting and technical rock crawling, today's hobby-grade RC cars deliver an experience that's incredibly close to driving the real thing. Thanks to powerful brushless motors, high-traction 4WD systems, durable suspension, and rugged waterproof electronics, these machines are built to perform in almost any environment. Manufacturers continue to raise the bar with models that offer more speed, better handling, and greater durability than ever before. In today's video, we're counting down 10 incredible RC cars that are worth every dollar in 2026. Whether you're buying your first hobby-grade RC or looking to upgrade to something bigger, faster, and tougher, this list has you covered. Let's get started. Traxxas 2 WD Brushless. The Traxxas 2 WD Brushless proves why it's one of the most popular short-course RC trucks on the market. Built on a durable 1/10 scale 2WD platform, it features a powerful brushless motor, waterproof electronics, heavy-duty suspension, and a rugged chassis that's ready for jumps, dirt tracks, and backyard bashing. Depending on the battery setup, it can reach 35+ miles per hour on a 2S LiPo and over 50 miles per hour with a 3S LiPo, delivering serious speed with impressive control. Another big advantage is Traxxas's massive aftermarket support, making upgrades easy as your skills grow. With a starting price of around $329.95, the /2 WD Brushless offers outstanding performance, durability, and value for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. ARRMA Mini Kraton 3SBLX. Don't let its compact size fool you. The ARRMA Mini Kraton 3SBLX is built to bash hard. This 1/16 scale 4 WD monster truck packs a Spectrum 3000 kV brushless motor, 3SL IPO compatibility, dynamic stability control, DSC, and ARRMA's new Power Guard system, giving you the choice between smooth everyday driving and full throttle chaos. In chaos mode, it can blast past 50 miles per hour, while its heavy-duty suspension and reinforced chassis soak up jumps and rough landings with ease. Starting at around $299.99 for the RTR version, it's an incredible value for anyone who wants big truck performance in a backpack-friendly package. Losi 5 IVE-TE 3.015 scale. Electric 4WD. If you're looking for the ultimate large-scale RC experience, the Losi 5 IVE-TE 3.015 scale electric 4WD is in a league of its own. This massive desert truck is powered by a Spectrum 560 kV brushless motor paired with a 250 amp smart ESC, supporting 8S to 12S LiPo power for breathtaking performance. On a full 12S setup, it rockets past 50 miles per hour, while its 4WD drivetrain, oversized 8.5-inch tires, and big-bore oil-filled shocks deliver incredible stability over rough terrain. The ready-to-run package starts at around $1,500, making it a premium investment. But for serious RC enthusiasts, its unmatched size, power, and durability make every dollar feel well spent. Kyosho FAZER D 2 Series. If sideways action is what you're after, the Kyosho FAZER D 2 Series is one of the most exciting ready-to-run drift cars you can buy. Built on a 1/10 scale rear-wheel drive chassis, it features a dedicated drift suspension, adjustable wheelbase, built-in gyro assistance, and realistic licensed body options that make every slide look smooth and controlled. The Ready Set comes fully assembled, making it easy for beginners while still offering plenty of tuning potential for experienced drifters. Priced at around $250 to $285, the FAZER D2 delivers impressive handling, realistic drifting, and excellent value, making it a fantastic entry point into the world of RC drifting. Axial S CX24 RC Chevy C10. The Axial S CX24 RC Chevy C10 proves that you don't need a giant RC truck to have a great time. This 1/24th scale 4WD rock crawler combines a detailed 1967 Chevrolet C10 body with a rugged steel frame, oil-filled shocks, full-time four-wheel drive, and a reliable 180 size brushed motor. It comes fully assembled with a 2.4 GHz radio system, 350 mAh 2S LiPo battery, and USB charger, so it's ready to hit the trails right out of the box. Priced at around $150, the SCX24 delivers impressive crawling performance, realistic scale looks, and endless fun, making it one of the best value micro crawlers available today. Traxxas RUSTLER 2 WD Brushless. The Traxxas RUSTLER 2 WD Brushless is one of those RC trucks that never fails to put a smile on your face. Its lightweight 1/10 scale 2 WD design, powerful Volinian brushless motor, waterproof electronics, and rugged Magnum 272R transmission make it perfect for high-speed bashing and big air jumps. On a 2S LiPo, it easily tops 40 miles per hour, while a 3S LiPo unleashes speeds of 60+ miles per hour without changing the gearing. Despite its incredible performance, it's easy to control and highly upgradable. Starting at around $300, the RUSTLER delivers an unbeatable mix of speed, durability, and pure driving fun that keeps RC enthusiasts coming back for more. ARRMA TALION 6SEXB. The ARRMA TALION 6SEXB is built for RC enthusiasts who want extreme speed without sacrificing control. This 1/7 scale 4WD speed truck features a Spectrum Firma 4 074205 0kV brushless motor, 150 amp, smart V2 ESC, rugged EXB aluminum upgrades, and a heavy-duty drivetrain engineered for brutal bashing. Powered by a 6S LiPo battery, it can exceed 75 miles per hour with the optional speed gearing, while its tuned suspension and aerodynamic body keep it remarkably stable at high speeds. Priced at around $830, the TALION 6SEXB is a premium machine that delivers race-inspired performance, exceptional durability, and thrilling speed every time you hit the throttle. Axial S CX30 Chevy K10. The Axial S CX30 Chevy K10 proves that great things really do come in small packages. This 1/30 scale 4WD rock crawler features a beautifully detailed licensed Chevrolet K10 ABS hard body, full-time four-wheel drive, an Axial 65T, brushed motor, damped 25mm shocks, locked differentials, and Interco Super Swamper tires that provide impressive grip on challenging terrain. It even comes ready to run with a Spectrum 2.4 GHz radio, 2S LiPo battery, and USB-C charger included. Priced at around $100, the SCX30 delivers realistic crawling performance and incredible value, making it one of the most fun micro-crawlers you can buy today. Redcat Vertex 10, wide 1/10, RTR crawler. The Redcat Vertex 10, wide 1/10 RTR crawler is built for drivers who want maximum confidence on challenging terrain. Its 1/10 scale 4WD platform combines a lightweight 3mm carbon fiber chassis, Hobbywing 1700 kV brushless outrunner motor, 60 amp programmable ESC, 50 kg waterproof brushless servo, and portal axles for exceptional climbing ability. The wider stance and 32% front overdrive provide outstanding stability on steep side hills and technical rock sections, while the oil-filled aluminum shocks keep every crawl smooth and controlled. Priced at around $530, this premium RTR crawler delivers competition-level capability straight from the box and is well worth the investment for serious rock crawling enthusiasts. Traxxas Nissan 240SX. For drift fans, the Traxxas Nissan 240SX is pure fun from the moment you pull the trigger. Built on the 1/10 scale 4 Tech Drift RWD chassis, It features TSM drift technology, a Titan Drift 21 T550 motor, XL5, waterproof ESC, a high-angle steering kit, and an officially licensed Nissan 240SX body that looks fantastic in motion. The predictable handling makes it easy for beginners to link smooth drifts, while experienced drivers will appreciate its tuning potential. Priced at around $330, it's an excellent ready-to-run drift car that perfectly blends realistic styling, smooth performance, and everyday driving enjoyment.